Hello students, there is a good news for you. Now you can write the same matter at different speeds. Link of the same is given in the description box. Thank you. Start. Aggrieved by the interlocutory order of the administrative tribunal, whereby the petitioner was directed not to dismiss the first respondent applicant from service on the basis of the judgment of the special judge for SPE and ACB cases pending further orders, the present writ petition is filed by the municipal corporation. Stop. Para. Brief facts to the extent necessary are that the first respondent applicant was working as a junior assistant in the municipal corporation. Stop. Consequent upon a trap laid by the ACP while the first respondent applicant was demanding and accepting a bribe of rupees 800 to do an official favor, a case was registered against her before the special judge for SPE and ACB cases. Stop. The special judge, by order dated 4/3/2006, convicted the first respondent applicant under section 248 CRPC and sentenced her to undergo rigorous imprisonment for a period of 1 year and to pay a fine of rupees 1000 for offences under section 13 read with section 13D of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. Stop. The first respondent applicant preferred criminal appeal and this court by order suspended the sentence and granted her bail pending disposal of the criminal appeal on condition of her executing a bond of rupees 10,000 with two sureties each for a like sum to the satisfaction of the special judge for SPE and ACB cases. Stop. Apprehending that she may be dismissed from service in view of the judgment rendered by the special judge for SPE and ACB cases, the first respondent applicant approached the tribunal and sought for an interim direction to the respondents not to dismiss her from service in view of the suspension of the sentence passed by the High Court. Stop. The first respondent applicant relied on earlier order passed by the tribunal, which in turn had relied on its earlier orders and the observations of this court in writ petition. Stop. The tribunal held that in view of the said orders and with a view to maintain consistency, the petitioner's hearing must be directed not to dismiss the first respondent applicant from service based on the judgment of the special judge for SPE and ACB cases pending further orders. Stop. The government in its memo, while informing that the special judge for SPE and ACB cases had pronounced judgment and had convicted and sentenced the first respondent applicant to undergo rigorous imprisonment for a period of 1 year and advised them to dismiss the first respondent applicant from service in view of her conviction and as per the orders of the government. Stop. Para. Aggrieved by the interlocutory order of the tribunal suspending the proceedings of the second petitioner herein, the present writ petition is filed. Stop. Para. The first respondent applicant was appointed as a tracer in the office of the Commissioner Municipality. Stop. He was subsequently promoted as a town planning building overseer while he was working in the office of the Commissioner Municipality The first respondent applicant was trapped by the ACB and was placed under suspension stop. He was subsequently reinstated into duty with effect from 31/7/1999 stop. The principal special judge for SPE and ACB cases come 4th Additional Chief Justice Civil Court Hyderabad convicted the first respondent applicant under section 248 CRPC assailing the said judgment. The first respondent applicant filed criminal appeal and this court passed the following order : para. The petitioner shall be released on bail on the same terms and conditions that were imposed by court below stop. On such execution, the execution of the sentences stands suspended stop.